Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to see your all transaction in Cash App. First, open app on your phone, then tap the clock icon at the bottom right to open your activity tab. Here you can scroll through all the past payments and deposits. What's more info? Just tap any transaction to see details like the date, amount, and who it was sent to or received from. You can also search or filter by date, amount, recipient, and payment types. That's all. Now you know how to check your full transaction history. If this helped you, please subscribe to our channel.